What's up guys, welcome back to Cooking with Lev. Hope everyone's doing well. We're gonna go ahead and try out a knife that's been sent from a company called Gali. The knife itself is 7-inch Japanese chef's knife. So we're gonna go ahead and review this knife today and see how it's gonna work. So first let's go ahead and unbox it. Comes with instructions and also shows other knives that they're selling. Their company's website is veggies.com. They have all kinds of knives that they're selling. Looks pretty cool and it's really good for a gift too. That's the name of it. Wow, looks great. Looks pretty cool, has a nice grip. So this knife looks pretty good for all kinds of cuts, thin or thick. It's a razor sharp. And you can do whatever you want with this knife. Dice it, chop it, cut it, however you want to. It will work perfectly fine. Beautiful, sharp chef's knife. So let's go ahead and start cooking. Okay guys, our dish is ready. Taste is amazing, texture is beautiful. Can't complain about this, and I have to be honest with you guys. This knife is worth to have it in your kitchens. Fiscali Japanese chef knife. Just go ahead and give it a try. It's on Amazon also. I'll post the promo code on my description box, and you guys will get 10% discount if you use the promo code. So it's worth to have it. You can cut whatever you want with this. Fiscali Japanese chef knife, 7 inches, beautiful, does the job. Give it a try. And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and keep the notifications on. Don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Cheers. Amazing.